All right, hello. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Jake Harris, and this will be my final semester at Atlantic Cape Community College. I'm graduating with an associate's in business administration and then transferring to Rowan University to obtain and pursue my bachelor's in accounting. So something really memorable about Atlantic Cape that I'm definitely going to miss here is just the tight-knit community that Atlantic Cape offers. I mean, I come here Monday through Thursday, and to be able to not only have these relationships that I foster with students, but also the faculty and administrators here at the institution as well. I feel like it's really hard to get that at institutions that you go, and Atlantic Cape definitely offers that, and that's going to be something that I really miss as I move on into the next chapter of my life. But I'm also still going to be connecting, even though I won't be here as much, I'm going to be connecting and still maintaining those relationships that I've gained here.